Good morning, everyone. John here from In the Loop Travel, and I'm on board Silver Endeavour. This is Crystal Cruises' new expedition ship, and I see offshore we have one of the ocean ships from the line, Crystal Serenity. We are in Grand Exuma, the Bahamas, and we are sailing all week long in the Bahamas and the British Virgin Islands on Crystal Endeavour. And this is an expedition ship, like I say, so the activities that we can do here include sea kayaking, snorkeling, and Zodiac tours, as well as immersive kind of beach days on these little intimate islands that you get to go to on these small ships. This ship carries up to 200 passengers. It has a huge space per passenger ratio, and it is a luxury expedition ship, so it's unlike anything you're going to find out there. So we are going to explore the Bahamas over the next few days, starting today with some snorkeling. Hey, I should mention before we leave Grand Exuma today, Crystal Serenity, I have sailed on that ship before, and I do have some videos touring that ship in some of the cabins, and I will link those in the description box below. This video will cover a couple days here in Bahamas, and then I will have a separate video once we get the British Virgin Islands underway. And I do also have some other videos coming that are touring the ship and talking about some of the features on board here. So it's a whole series of videos. So not only this one, there will be several others. So I've come ashore here on Great Exuma, and I found out I've got my own little private snorkeling adventure with my guides here, Emily and Casey, and we're gonna head over to this little island out there in the blue waters and check out what we can find. Everyone's coming back on board, and we are about to shove off to Man-of-War Bay and Inagua Island. It's our next destination tomorrow. So we had a lot of fun here in Great Exuma. Did some snorkeling, saw some fish, you saw the coral, and I saw lionfish down there and a huge grouper. So our first activities off with the Crystal Expedition team, and we had a lot of fun. See you tomorrow in Inagua. Good morning. We're getting ready to start our day here on Crystal Endeavour. Got a little bit of routine. We found our favorite lunch place back here at the solarium. Eating at the Marketplace Grill here, ready to made order eggs and everything, and with, I think, the best views on the ship. Morning, everybody. Hey. And the great guys who always take care of us here. Let's go see what it looks like out here today. So we're enjoying our breakfast here out on the aft al fresco. We're gonna finish up here, then hit the gym, get a little workout, and then we're sailing Man-of-War Bay and Inagua Island today. We're gonna get out in the water again for some more adventures. This is the mudroom, and it's the place where you come and store all your gear and access the tender boats to go ashore. So that was certainly a lot of activity we got in today. We're sailing away now from beautiful and remote Inagua Island. We got in some snorkeling and a Zodiac tour in the afternoon. The next time we see you, we will be in St. Barts. See you then. Bonjour, good morning. We have arrived in St. Barts. This is a new island for us, and we're gonna head off and have another day full of adventures here on Silver Endeavour. Gonna do some snorkeling in the morning, and then an afternoon Zodiac ride to see the sunset.
Hey. Good morning.
Shake hands here.
Yeah, there we go.
Hello.
Hello.
How are you today?
I'm very well. How are you?
Very well.
Excellent. Come on in.
Thank you. We are on the island of St. Barts, and we went snorkeling this morning, which was right out between those two rocks, past the marina. You can see our ship is out there. Silver Endeavour. And now for an afternoon activity before we do our sunset Zodiac ride later on. We're gonna go for a hike up the hill here to the lighthouse and hopefully have some great views to show you.
And masked boobies as well that are flying alongside the ship really close. We'll probably see them in the next few days as well. So they're hanging along, they like to get in front of the ship, so they're in front of the bow, and as the ship is going along it's putting a pressure wave, and so they're able to like ride that, so they don't even have to flap their wings.